I received my ice cream box, monthly subscription, and I opened it because I'm always excited to see what palette I received. I really don't know what to say about this box. I really don't know what to say about this box. I opened it. I'm thinking they did not have anything for the month of September, so they just scramble and put some stuff in this box. That's what I'm thinking. Let us open this box and see what I received, because there's also a bonus in there. So let's see. Like I said, I already opened it. I haven't have it upside down. I have it upside down. Do I? Yes, I have it upside down. Okay, let me open this and make this quick because it's not much. The bonus in here is a Appeal Gel Liner, and it is $18. A creamy precision liner that pairs perfectly with the Chic liquid lipstick, prevents feathering while defining pout. Let me put it so you can see the name. Appeal. This is what it looks like, the shade. And let me swatch it for you. I'm making it big so you can see because this is the shade right here. So that was the bonus. Like it said, it goes with the Chic liquid lipstick by Appeal Cosmetics, and that liquid lipstick is $21. Do I want to open it? I don't know. So that's the liquid lipstick that goes with the liner. I will open it. Okay, open the liquid lipstick. Let's see what it looks like. I will swatch it on the back of my hands. Okay, it's a pretty color. This right here is the lipstick and the liner next to it, so they match. So that's the lipstick. That's why I tell you, I don't know what to say about this box. I don't know what to say about this box. The next item in here is hair multi-chrome eyeliner by Illuminati Cosmetics, $21. This is it right here. It has one of the little smudges on one end and the liner. The liner is on stock, and I think that's because of the heat. It's not the people. I think it's the heat, but this is what it looks like. And I'll just do it slowly and I will swatch it. This is it. Ooh, because it's a multi-chrome, you see? This is it right here. So that's the liner. Eyeliner. The next item in there is the blush brush by Manage Beauty, and that's $9. It comes like this. Like I said, I opened that box when it came before I sit to do the video because I wanted to see what was in there, so I'm familiar and I can talk to you quick. Take this out. It looks like a very pretty brush and I love the handle. Isn't it cute? Nice and fluffy. The brush is nice. The brush is nice. Next item in there is, the next item is 2-in-1 Lengthening Mascara by Magnifique Beauty. Magnifique Beauty for $12. And this is the mascara right here. I did not open it, and it does say it expires in 2028. I did not open it. I have a lot of mascaras that I have opened. I have like 3 mascaras going. I do that often. It's terrible, but I do. So I'm not gonna open that. So that's a mascara. I am sweating because I am in my 11th year of menopause, and this is the best I have ever felt. I get to sleep at least 6 hours. I still get night sweats, but not as bad. I don't have to go out of my mind or my body. And this little sweat, I can live with. The next item and the last item in there is, oh, and by the way, the card says September Sunset Harvest. The palette is the Lonely Scarecrow palette by Poppy and Fluff Cosmetics, and it is $38. It's a fall-inspired palette with rich earthy tones and pop-off shimmers, perfect for cozy autumn looks. It said this is a UK-based brand that is proudly woman-owned and founded by a disabled entrepreneur who believes beauty should be creative, accessible, and joyful. The palette is $38. And it does come like this. This is what it looks like. The sleeve and the palette is the same shade. When you open it, it has the shade saver. It has 7 mattes. These are the ones you've seen. Everything that's covered in white, they are shimmers. Let's see. That's it. All the shimmers are now uncovered. So here they are. 2 on the top row and 3 in the bottom row. So this is the whole palette. I'm going to bring it closer. There are 12 shades. Beautiful palette. The palette is pretty. I can work with it. It has colors. I don't mind. But I just don't think this box was anything that I've received before. This is beautiful. I'm going to use that to create a look. But this is the ice cream box. And these are the items that were received. I hope you enjoy. Let me know which item was your favorite item in the comments. And until I see you and you see me, remember to keep the faith. Keep the faith. I'm saying that because everything doesn't always work out the way we want it to. And I'm saying that because this box, I thought would be like much more than what I received. But at the same time, I did receive a box that I paid for. Keep the faith. And things doesn't always look the way it seems. I thank you very much for watching, and I will see you shortly. Bye.